Everyone, my name is Miss Jacobs and I've designed and created this interactive module titled From Grass to Glass, and it's all about the journey of milk. So when you access this web page, I'm going to ask you to complete two different main points. And so this is an instructional video for describing how to complete main point number 1. So to begin, you're going to click the Begin Here button, which is located on the home page. That's going to direct you to the ruminant digestion page. Now here is kind of like the home page for both of the main points, and it gives you some terms and functions as well as different resources that you might want to consult as you're completing it. But when you're ready to begin main point 1, you're just going to click there to begin. On this page, it gives you a brief overview about what main point number 1 is going to be about, and then you're going to click here for instructions. On the instructions page, you can access a video, which I'm explaining to you now, and then as you scroll down, it gives you all the instructions in a text format if you'd like to go back and read them as you're completing it. When you're ready to begin your activities, you're going to click to access the content and activities. So here is subpoint number 1, and to complete this subpoint, you're going to observe this diagram and specifically focus on the 4 main compartments of the stomach, which are the rumen, reticulum, omasum, and abomasum. So once you kind of have a general idea of what those are and you consult the main ruminant digestion page about kind of what they look like, then you're going to access our class Pinterest page by clicking this button up here, and that'll take you to our page. When you're here, you're going to click the Add button, and you're going to upload a pen. And then you can drag and drop your photo here and give a brief description of what it looks like, and make sure you include your name. When you're finished, you just upload the pen and then return to the module. When you're going to complete subpoint number 2, I'm going to ask that you watch this Edpuzzle video, which is down here. And as you can see, there are 4 different question marks. At each point, a short answer question is going to pop up, so just answer that question and then you can move forward. When you're finished with that, you'll take the final assessment for main point number 1, and to do that, you'll click this button down here at the bottom. It gives you a brief description here, and then this is a ruminant digestion quiz via Google form. So you'll go through and you'll answer all of these questions, and then at the bottom you'll submit it. And when you're finished with that, you can move on to main point number 2. Just remember, if you have any questions, to just use the chat with us over here and ask me any questions you may have as you're completing it. Good luck!